Hello everyone, welcome back to RICOM Chiller. Today, let us introduce about our company for you. RICOM Chiller is a professional industrial refrigeration solution provider. It specializes in innovating and manufacturing chillers used in plastic industry, electronics, chemical, food processing, brewery plant, beverage production line, refrigeration, and other industries since 2000. The extensive RICOM Chiller product line was developed based on decades of knowledge and industry leadership and includes piston, screw, and screw compressor chillers, ranging in capacities from 2 to 5 tons. RICOM chillers are relied upon for both suitable and process applications in many countries. We have already provided equipment and technical support to 3,000 domestic and international factories. Welcome to visit us. We hope to establish long-term business relationship with customers from all over the world.